Hi everyone, I'm Rob from the Gator team and welcome to our weekly series, FAQ Friday. Now in this series, we're going to answer the most common questions about abrasives and sanding. In this week's episode, we're going to show how frequently you should be changing your sanding pads, sheets, or discs. So for this episode, we are focusing specifically on Gator's reptilian sanding discs. Now, there is no set rule or fixed time. You should really change them when they stop performing though. How do you know? Well, if your pad or your disc isn't cutting like it used to, it's starting to look a little worn out, or it starts creating problems while you're sanding, then it's time for a new one. Now, I use reptilian discs, which last up to 4 times longer than the other brands. So I don't have to swap mine out nearly as often. But even the best sanding pads wear down eventually. So to recap, keep an eye on the performance and your sanding will be smooth and efficient. So let us know in the comments if you have any questions that you want answered. And as always, see you in the next FAQ Friday.